Hey you guys, my name is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. For most of us, we take our back or our spine for granted. But always remember, we are only as old as our spine. So here are some simple yoga postures that may be able to help you loosen the stiff back muscles and in turn strengthen the muscles by twisting and stretching it. This will not only help you to relieve the backache but will also ensure that there is a good circulation to the spine and the nerves. So the first pose that we have is a simple combination of bending, stretching and twisting. This will help you to loosen the lower back and as well work on the complete back. Let's see how it is to be done. For that, ensure that your legs are straight. Then bend one leg. Place the foot on the inner thigh. Then stretch yourself up. Breathing in, stretch, breathing out, bend down. Again come up, stretch and twist from the other side. That is the leg that is folded. Okay, so while twisting, twist and ensure that your foot is still straight. Okay, it is not supposed to bend while you are twisting. So your foot is still straight. So you bend and you come up. So while bending, try to touch your forehead to the floor. Let's try this quickly. Stretch. Simple. I'll quickly show it on the other side as well. Next up we have Janu Shirshasana, that is basically touching your forehead to your knee. It's simple and similar to the previous one that we just did. Again, fold one leg, foot to your inner thigh, back straight. Breathe in, breathing out, slowly slide down and touch your forehead to your knee. Breathing in, come up. You can be in this position for as long as you're comfortable. The other side as well. The next one is Marjarasana, that's the cat pose. Now in this pose you have to come on your knees. Alright, take your forearms distance and again forearms distance and come on all fours. Okay, now breathing in, your head will go up and give a good curve to your spine. Breathing out, come down, chin towards the chest and lift your spine. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, chin towards the chest, lift your spine. So this is a variation in Bakrasana. Bakrasana is basically twisting. So you can do this pose either in a seated posture, that is in Padmasana, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, or even while you're sitting on a chair. Alright, it's very simple. All you have to do is twist your body completely. I'll just show you how I am doing this in Vajrasana. Twist as much as you can. Try to twist from your lower back. Normal breathing. And relax. The fifth and the last one for today is Bhujangasana. Now again, this works on your complete spine, so it helps to strengthen the muscles and also to loosen the stiff muscles. Let's see how it is to be done. Come on. For this, we lie down, hands besides the chest, elbows pulled inwards, forehead on the floor. Breathing in, come up. If you're comfortable, you can also take your knees off the floor. breathing out, come down. All of these exercises or yoga postures were quite simple, right? So these are for beginners. You can improve your practice by holding on to this position for as long as you're comfortable. Alright, ideally 1 to 2 minutes is fine. For beginners, however, you can hold on to for just 15 to 20 counts and it's fine. If you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Also, if you have any other video requests or recommendations, then don't forget to mention them in the comments below. I'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, keep breathing. Namaste.